All right, so today we're going to go ahead and upgrade the injectors. It'll just be a quick video. We're going to upgrade the injectors. I have a tune loaded up that my buddy sent me for the new injector size. It's a base to start at, and then straight tuning from there. So we upgraded to FIC 2150s. And as you can see, these all flow about 2300. So these should be the last injectors we need for this car, pretty much. My weakest link now is going to be the stock bottom end, but these actually come with a different pigtail, so we're going to have to do that. Splice all these in. Should be pretty easy, but something to do. So it's a pretty simple process. Just 3 Allens. Remove this fuel rail. Has no fuel pressure right now. Once that's out of the way, cut the pigtails, splice them on, put the other ones in. So I'm confused because this is cylinder 1, 2, 3, 4. Those injectors are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is over here. 3 is on this one. 2, 1. And it was running fine, so I'm confused. I didn't label those injectors. They were just like that since I bought the car. So I went on the wiring diagram on DSM tuners and checked the factory wiring right here. Where is it? Right here. It's a red stripe blue with a green wire. That's correct. They just have them labeled wrong, I guess, and I put them back correctly. But they just had them twisted together and then electrical taped. That's kind of insane to me. I'll definitely be soldering them. What a hack job. Just the shit you find on these cars. Nobody cares. Alright, so I went ahead and pulled the whole little wiring harness out. Checked out the wirings. They're looking good. I'm going through the numbers on DSM tuners and checking out fine. They just labeled them backwards. I got all these other plugs labeled correctly. Well, I have them labeled, and then I'll put them in their correct order. I'll solder these. I'll show you one, and then I'll just show you them done, because there's no point showing them all. We got all the connectors with the heat shrink on them, so we don't forget. Strip back the wires a little bit more. Cut these wires flush, strip them back, fresh wire, and then we'll solder them. Heat shrink them, and they'll be good to go. Heat up the wire and then feed in the solder. Two done, 2 wires. All right, so now we just gotta do that 3 more times. Put this back in here like this. And we're good. All right, so those are all done. I'm gonna see if I have some wiring loom. I'll put these in, clean them up a little bit, go from there. They're all wrapped up, looking pretty good. We will do this. We're gonna run this wire back underneath, plug back in the coils, etc. Don't need this plug. You gotta plug this into the coils. Run these up through the runners. They're all labeled correctly. Alright, so we got the wires ran up. That was fun. We're gonna put the injectors in. We'll put those in, and then we're gonna plug them in. Oh my God, dude. I found it. So it's right there. That's the bracket for the coils. It fell between the bracket and the block. So we'll figure out how we're gonna get that. Ain't gonna be easy. All right, so car's back together. We got to hook up ECM link. Copy this to the ECU. Go to ECU, hit reset fuel trims. All right, now let's go log. It's a fresh cold start in the morning. That belt school is so annoying. So we'll take on a quick drive and see how she goes. So we're on our 6th revision. Kind of just skip through them with the videoing, but we're in a 6th revision. This one I should be able to get into, rip into boost, so that's what we're gonna do. 27 pounds back there, so getting into it a little bit. So we're gonna put some fresh spark plugs in it and then take her on a ride today. We're on, I think, revision 7, so we're gonna do some good pulls and see what he says. Let's get these spark plugs out. All right, so we just regapped the plugs in the parking lot to see if maybe that'll fix it. I'm gonna take it back out, and we regapped them down to 18 thousandths, I think. See if that fixes up the breakup. I'll get back with you. All right, so just got back from another pull. We've been having a little bit of issues, and he wanted me to check the fuel pressure, and I'll put the clip in right now. So as you can see, there's a drop in fuel pressure. That was a 1-2 pull. So I gotta pull out the filter, check that, and then if it's not that, then my pump's going out, and I'll probably have to get a different pump. So let's go ahead and spill some gas. All right, so as the car sits right now, we're gonna call it good. Technically, we're still dropping pressure, even though it's better. I'm gonna go ahead and swap the fuel filter for like a bigger, higher quality one. We have currently just the Evil Energy 10 micron stainless steel, but probably go like a Fuel Lab 828 filter. Anyways, we're gonna get a better filter. If that doesn't fix the fuel pressure, then I'm gonna go to the 535 Hellcat pump. And if that doesn't fix the issue, which I should, then I'd have to go bigger fuel lines, but I don't think that's the issue. So for this video right now, that's gonna be it. Car runs great. I'm taking it to the track soon, and we're going to a Cars and Coffee, so I might do another Cars and Coffee Reacts video. Maybe we'll get better reactions. We'll see. I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching it, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.